You own this.
Tips and tricks so you can get the most out of your air fryer is the chef behind the food blog, Chop Happy, Jason Goldstein. Welcome back to New York Living.
Thank you, thank you. I'm so grateful to show you fun air fryer things for your weekly rotation.
Holy moly, if you don't have an air fryer, get one.
You will ask for it.
This is a big boy, he means business.
Yes, yes, yes. So we're gonna make some fun dishes.
Okay.
So we'll start over here with a crispy cod schnitzel. And it's healthier but crispy, and we're gonna show you fun tips for it.
I love schnitzel.
Okay,
I love a schnitzel.
so good, right?
Yeah.
And it's quick in the air fryer. So we are gonna take a cod and you're gonna season it with the same seasonings that you're using for your breading station.
Okay.
So paprika for some smokiness, garlic powder, salt and pepper. And then, so you don't make your counter really messy.
Oh, look at what you've done.
Yeah, I made a breading station here, and when you're done, you just roll it up and throw it out.
Every party needs a good breading station.
Yes.
I always say that.
Yes, yes, yes. And then, I'm gonna show you, crack me up by the way.
Thank you so much.
So we season it all, and then, I don't know, but the reason
genius.
why you are using...
And did you hit this flour in there also?
Yeah, so this is gonna be flour first. The reason why I use flour is because it helps the eggs stick.
Adhere,
and
yeah.
then you'll get a lot more crispiness because all the breadcrumbs will stick in
I'm
there.
so happy you're using tongs, by the way.
Yeah.
People use their fingers, I'm like, come on.
This way you don't have to use one hand for breading, one
Right.
hand for the fish.
You have to
then-
have clean
and then-
hand, dirty hands.
The thumb and index finger become just like
become
a
the top, yep.
mold of your fingers.
Yes, and you always forget too.
Yeah.
Yep.
And there's a secret ingredient here. I have some Dijon and mayo for an extra
that's
tang
awesome.
of flavor.
Sir.
And then ready, one more thing. To get an extra crispy, since we're not frying this in oil, I do half breadcrumbs, half panko,
Oh,
and
well,
some
now you're showing off.
sesame
Yeah, this is-
seeds right in there. It goes right in that air fryer.
I have a question about the popping in.
Yeah.
Do you hit it with spray or no?
Yes, so you
can?
preheat your air fryer
Okay.
for like a couple minutes and you add the spray in there, and then the convection of the hot air and the oil will get all around
Okay,
it.
great.
I also spray the cod because you need like culinary
You need a
assurance,
little
right?
man.
And then it goes just literally in there, 5 minutes one side, 5 minutes the other side.
Ugh.
And it's almost like a holiday sale. It's buy one, get one free. When you're done with your cod, put cooking veggies in there, like green
They
beans.
have like the flavor still there.
Yeah,
Right?
and then it's just 10 minutes.
Look at this.
Let me tell you something. I've always wanted to be in an infomercial. I'm not joking.
Yes.
And this is my moment right now.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm in.
You're in the thing.
Set it and forget
Set it and forget it. I didn't know if we could say. I was like, I want to say set it and forget it so badly.
But wait, there's more.
Okay,
Spaghetti
but
squash.
there's more. You can put it all in the air fryer.
You get an air fryer.
Yes. So this is spaghetti squash parmesan. It satisfies your Italian craving for your Italian night. Me and my mom used to do this every Thursday. We ate lots of healthy, but we got to have something cheesy on Thursdays. And it also is half the time. So a fun hack: instead of trying to cut the skin and hurt your fingers, you can actually poke holes and put it in the microwave or the air fryer for 8 minutes, and it cuts like butter.
Like a potato.
And,
No
yeah,
kidding.
exactly like a potato. And then when you scrape it, you put some pesto on there for extra flavor.
Sure.
Cook it, cut side down, and it's even faster in the oven because you only need 20 minutes instead of 45 minutes. And then
this?
sauce, cheese, because we're in New York.
And a little parsley, and it's pretty.
And it's good.
Wings high. We're knee deep in
With carrot
with
sticks and celery
Yes.
football season.
This is family wing night, crispy without putting in all that oil and getting the mess in the kitchen. The secret to getting crispy is to dry the wings, and then for every pound of chicken, you're gonna put a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and it dries the skin so that when it gets into that air fryer and then air circulates, it gets super
Nice
crispy.
and crispy. I like that.
It's literally just 10 minutes one side, 5 minutes the other side. You get your culinary brush and you paint it on with your favorite barbecue sauce,
And done.
you're all done, and it goes right in the middle.
Last but not least, what's happening over here?
All right, calling all my non-bakers, right? This is
Okay.
a 3-ingredient dessert, literally, yeah. You take cold puff pastry, you cut it into squares, put it in the air fryer for about 6 minutes, and then when it comes out, you shake it in some cinnamon sugar. You don't even need butter or anything.
Oh my gosh.
It like adheres, and it's like crunchy,
Puff pastry,
buttery.
and it does that
yeah.
in the air fryer.
Yeah, and it's half the time.
It does the fruit. It does the fruit.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Great
Wow.
job.
We did
Thank
it
you,
all.
thank
Take
you.
three of everything.
We'll take-
Yes, it's all yours.
Jason, thank you
Yes.
so much.
Thank you for having me. I'm so grateful.
Fantastic
Yes.
recipes for you guys. Keep up with Jason and all of his cooking tips and tricks on Instagram at Chop Happy.